Welcome back to Origami videos. Today I'm gonna show you how to make this envelope for your wedding invitation. All you're gonna need is a square piece of paper. I'm currently using 20 by 20 centimeters, and if you want you can also use a ruler, some kind of a knife and pencil, but those three are optional. If you're not using them, you will start by folding your paper on halves on both of the middles, but if you are using those three gadgets, you'll start by marking the middle of the paper on all four sides. Now that you have all four middles marked, you will fold your paper from the top middle line to this left corner and from the bottom middle to the upper right corner. But if you are using the knife, then you will cut the lines. But don't press too hard, because we don't want to cut the paper. Just mark the line. Now that you have it, we will fold our paper on this line. And also fold it on this line. Now we'll turn our paper 90 degrees, so just flip it like this and fold or mark the line from the top middle to the left corner downwards and from the bottom middle to the upper right corner. And now just fold on these lines. Like this. Now we start by folding our paper. We'll fold one side of the paper inwards, like this, and now we'll fold this corner of the paper to this point here, so where this line breaks. So bring this side of the paper to the corner and you will see this part is flipping up on this line. So align the outsides of it. Once you have it, press it down here in the inner part, and now fold this side of the paper downwards and fold it on this line, this part of the paper with the outside line, like this, and press it down once you have it. Now do the same with this side, so bring this point of the paper here, align it and press here down and here and fold it inwards like all you need to be careful is once you're folding this part in that you still have a point here. And now fold this point to here. Align the lines, press it down. Make sure that you have point and press it down. Now open your paper and just fold down the last line that we have. And now we'll also bring the last point of the paper. So just fold it, press it down, make sure that you still have a point. And once you have it, align it and press it down like this. Now fold the last of the sides that we just had, and with the last one you will flip this part over, so hold it upwards, bring these sides in, and then just this line that goes downwards, you need to fold it in the other side that go upwards, and it will roll over like this. I will show you again. So this is the last part that we have. Take this side of the paper, hold it upwards, reverse fold it on this line so that it go upwards like this, and just fold it together like this. Now all you need to do is open it and insert your invitation inwards. You can also glue it down and close it together. I hope you enjoyed this video and subscribe for more, and see you in next one. Bye!